Hello everybody, welcome to this video. And there's birds. You see that? Beautiful birds. Okay, so one of them is mine and one of them is not. This one isn't. This one is. This one is Willow. This one, well, I'm just gonna call Blue because I don't want to call it Babe. That's its name. But nah, I ain't gay. Alright, so I'm just gonna be like changing the food bowl and like changing the water dish. And the cage is dirty. Yeah, very. Which I'm gonna change off camera or maybe in a video. So, alright, we're gonna start off with the food bowl. So, we're going one-handed style. Also, this is the food. This. All that. So, time to open that and grab it one-handed. Thank you, birds, for not being annoying. So we gotta like dump this because it's pretty dirty and stuff. So yeah. Okay, I'm back with the empty and clean food bowl. So yeah. I can't really like just scoop it up. So I'm just gonna take this off. And yeah. Oh wow. Come on. Oh jeez. I got this so close. I did it. I'm proud. Birds, you see that? Okay. So let's just scoop it up. A little more. Alright. Now let's put this back in. Oh, it's the wrong way. Ah, something's on the bottom. Okay. Just like that. Okay. New food bowl. Birds, you see that? Yeah. Okay. What the heck? Oh no, that's not good. Okay. Well, that's a problem, so let's just get that and Jesus. Okay. I'll be right back when this is clean, so yeah. Okay, I'm back and I spilled a little, so that's great. Alright, so one-handed mode. Okay. Now, oh wait, okay, hold on. Let's move it a little closer. Alright. Yes, okay. I did it, and I'm proud. Very. So, birds, what you gotta say about that? That's good. Okay. Well, there's your food. There's your water. The next video will probably be cleaning your cage. That's not gonna be easy. Yeah, you know. You're looking at me like, yeah, I know. So, I'll try to feed you just so the video isn't so short and so there's good content. So, I'm just gonna open this right here. Alright. They don't really like... Wow, they're actually being quite chill. Usually, they like start flying everywhere. Oh no, I talked too soon. Okay. The blue one's more chill than the yellow. The yellow is a girl, by the way. So, that's something. Oh dear, I tried recording inside, but that didn't work. So, do you want food? Also, the yellow one bites. I try to make her chill by like trying like every night and day. But yeah, the blue one seems to want to eat, so that's good. Oh no, don't fight, guys. No. No. Okay. Well, what are you guys doing? Stop that. Don't do that. Come on. So, goodbye. Thank you for watching. And that was a good video. Bye.